àwọn ẹ̀dì kìíní kan mi mọ̀ bí mo ṣe fẹ́ sọ́wọ́ wọ́n fún ní bottle water omi ó ní bottle water ẹ̀ lòun mú mọ́ mi ó ní trust me wọ́n ní I trust ó ní ṣe ní mo mọ̀ ọ́n nìyẹn wọ́n ní mo ti béèrè mọ́ bottle water ó ní wọ́n fún òun ní omi yẹn ó ní torí wọ́n ṣe threat òwújọ yẹn òun wá tó ti fẹ́ ra omi ó ní wọ́n á jẹ́ gbébọ̀ omi yẹn fún bottle water ló ń wá mu ó ní tó ń ṣe gbogbo òun mọ́ ó ní mo ní ọmọ mi máa kí ó ti tẹ́ ẹ̀ mo máa nà tó bá ti lọ sí ṣó tó yẹ kó lọ kò ní lè lọ ó máa nà ni àti Samilari mi mẹ́ tó ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀ mi mọ̀ ẹ̀yọ́ kankan mi mọ̀ alágbára kankan ṣùgbọ́n mo ti rí báyìí ẹ ti promise mi ẹ bá mi wá náírà jáde o náírà jáde jọ ó fọmọ mi ṣẹrú ni títí ó bá mi wá jáde gbà tí ọmọ mi wà lọ́dọ̀ náírà ó fún mi ní owó kankan o àfìgbà tó kọ ẹjọ ẹ bá mi wá jáde ọmọ mi ló máa sọ pé kí má jẹ́ kán pa mí èmi náà mo máa sọ pé mo mọ̀yàn pé tí mo bá lọ bá èèyàn kan ọmọ á ní kí má jẹ́ kán pa mí bí kí n jọ kí má jẹ́ kán pa mí ọ̀rọ̀ pé kán má pa mí lọ.
Wow, another one don come out again o for this Mohbad death o this one na wow. Abeg people dey this world people dey this world. This boy death really pain the shake the whole world like e really pain, you know. E really pain. Wow. Naira Marley, that boy, me I not still trust him too. Many of his friends, I not trust them. You understand, my people? Because this boy dead, the way he shake the whole world, the thing they shock everybody. He shake the whole world like, what did this boy can't do person now? What they can't just make this boy like that? What did he do? Hey, my people. What did this small boy come know now? Boy, we just see they come up and they just make me like this. But people, when I need to see the way mama they cry, I put the video where mama they talking. Mona hear so many things, so Mona fear people for this life. Oh,
yeah, no, that one. I have a new come. Any man with drug go, making mommy. Only got to let alone. Okay. Èmi nìkan mo mú kò sẹ́ni tó sọ pé kó mú rẹ̀ o.
Wọ́n nìkan.
Wà láìtàlẹ̀ ògùn ọlọ́run tó dábí rí mi nípa ọ̀rọ̀ mo máa ń fọkọ̀ sọ́yìn lọ fi ṣe báyìí fún mi. Ìgbà tí mo wá dá mu wọ́n wá ní pé àyèmí o pè mí báyìí o nípa èmi ò ṣe kọ́kàn náà. Èmi tó láwọn ọmọ lórí tó yẹ kí mi gbọ́ mo gbọ́ ọ ló gbàjà mo sẹ́ẹ̀fù sínú nínú fídíò yẹn. Àwọn sínú náà ní tírí. Wọ́n máa fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ wọ́n máa ní kékeré mi máa bọ̀ lé wípé ó ní pé èmi máa bọ̀ lé o wọ́n ní káwọn yẹn ṣì wà bẹ́ẹ̀ so wọ́n wá tweet wípé sinolisi too bàtà everybody fẹ́ gbé ní lọ́kàn sọ pé Mohbad sinolisi ni ó yẹ kó bá sinolisi lọ́lọ́ gbé káàkiri so kí ni ìyẹn wáyé kọ́ gbé kí ni Mohbad sinolisi tiẹ̀ sinolisi lọ́fẹ̀ yìí.
I greet you all, and there is something bothering me which I'm here to talk about, right? All my accounts have been reported since the issue of Mohbad and Naira Marley. And I'm here to make it clear to you guys that I'm not impersonating anyone. I've never told you guys that I am Naira Marley. Yes, my username is Naira Marley Twin, but that doesn't mean I'm Naira Marley. How can people say I'm impersonating? This is me. This is my face. I don't even do the same thing with the people you guys are talking about. He does music and I do comedy. So am I impersonating also with my face? Or do you guys think I'm wearing mask? I'm not wearing mask. This is my face and this is me talking and this is me gonna post the video. Okay? So guys, stop it. I'm Naira Marley Twin. And I'm not Naira Marley. Thank you guys for understanding. I love you all.
Now they don't bring out Mohbad body out to run the autopsy. Now we need to go to the next place. Because this thing just dey vex me. Now only this country, now person go die. Enough he just rest in peace. First of all, they take bend that boy neck, put her for coffee where it top us. Why not still understand why they do it like that? That's why body just they pepper me. Just like if I did near that Mohbad Papa, the one they feel not the high first. Because for worry this kind of thing happen. I don't know why. I don't know why they bury that boy like that. I don't know. Then the next thing, sir, why they never invite that boy or those guys where do videos say Mohbad don't die? Why we never see them? Police, why I never invite those guys? Those guys also don't come this matter now. Why they never invite them? Let's go to the next phase. Because later on I go say, now say Atu they talk.
Nigeria, I am making this video from Nairobi, Kenya on the 17th September 2023 at around noon. And I want to confirm to Nigeria that Sam Larry is hiding in Kenya and his location is not hidden. I believe that there is a criminal investigation going on in Nigeria, and Sam Larry is a person of interest to aid in investigation or shedding light to what exactly led to the circumstances that caused the departed Mohbad to lose his life. We, the people of Kenya and the international fans of Mohbad, cannot claim that we understand the Nigerian culture and the Nigerian language. But what we have seen on social media, beyond reasonable doubt, proves that Sam Larry and Naira Marley, with their gang, really frustrated the life of Mohbad. They bullied, they harassed, they denied him his human rights and his freedom. They even interfered with self-esteem, not to talk of his health as a man. And therefore, Kenya does not want anybody who does not have humanity in him. We are scared and we cannot have you in our country. We deny you and we want Nigeria to do the right thing. Officially declare Sam Larry wanted and Kenya will extradite him. It is also important for everyone on social media to know that Mohbad's death cannot be justified with everything that is circulating on the media unless someone truly comes forward. And at this point, I want to express my sincere anger because I wish you can deport Mohbad's father to Kenya so that I can use slap to address that man, because you cannot watch when your child has been bullied to his death and you come out and say nonsense only when money is involved. Mohbad's father, this is a message to you. You may not have valued Mohbad, but he was a celebrity, therefore he was our concern in the whole world. Whatever is making you to be scared, we do not care. You can seek asylum, but do the right thing, because if not, we would like to beat you so that you understand how Mohbad left.